Walter Jackson. You are so close to getting a timeout. You're so close. You're so close to getting a timeout. My mouse is on it right now. Weird, it disappeared. What? I don't know. I don't know what happened. Well, I guess that's just what. I guess you shouldn't start a rebellion against the person who owns this goddamn channel. I think that's quite a stupid idea because I can time out every single one of you. バカなんじゃねえの。キアラと戦争しようとしてるやつは私はこのチャンネルの持ち主なんだから。What happened to my family? Like we were such a great family, and Albedo is just destroying everything. I thought we were a team. I thought we were a team, guys. What happened? Well, if you guys start a rebellion, I guess you guys don't need me anymore. I will not come back until all of you are calling for your mama again. I will not come back until then. Stop all that talk about rebellion. apologize. It's okay. It's okay, babies. Okay. We're good again, right? Okay, okay. Ah, よかった。落ち着いたかな？また平和になったかな？Nice. What the hell just happened? Nothing. ママです。使いこなしてる。何使いこなしてるよ。今のは完全に視聴者のみんなの声だったよ。帰ってきてくれよって反省してた。My babies.